Thank you for joining Ride Fit Nation, hosted by Sensei. This is where you ride your ride and leave the excuses on the road. Our mission on this channel is to go for miles, money, and muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's go.
Today is my last day here in New York. I had a great time. I did not get to visit the city, Manhattan. I wanted to show you guys some stuff in Manhattan, just some of the buildings, whatever, if you've never been there before. But I had a phenomenal time. I'm gonna coach all my clients today. That way I could have the day off for Friday. I could hit the road on Friday, and I still have to go to Vermont. So I might do Vermont later. It is raining and it's cold as heck out there, okay? I don't know what's up with all this rain, man. But I guess I chose the wrong time to get up here. It is what it is. But I am gonna hit Vermont. That way I can say that I have all 6 of the New England states covered in this northern corner. All right, so that I got to do, get it on the list, check it off, check, and move on. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's do this, and then I'm gonna go to Vermont. That's my last state for up here in the northern side of America. Let's go. I'm gonna walk over to the state line before I bring Beast over the state line. Guys, that ride was absolutely gorgeous. Now I can say I'm complete. Well, not yet, because I'm still not here, and I still gotta bring Beast over here for my journey to be complete. But I just want to come over here and just show you guys. Welcome to Vermont, the Green Mountain State. What's the odds? The Green Mountain State. Bam. Come on, baby. Come on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna walk across the line just for a little bit, but then I have to ride across to make it complete. But finally, I got all 6 states. I got all 6 states in the New England area. Great journey. I'm way up in the mountains. That's in the back roads. It took me about 3 hours and 45 minutes versus 5 hours and whatever. I just came to the closest spots. All right, so let's get back on beast, start the bike up, and ride past that state line. Let's go. I stopped off at a hotel here in Jersey off the 17. I had a long ride up to the mountains yesterday, up to Vermont, man. So I said I'm gonna push through, get out of New York, which I did. So the next day, now I'm just cleaning up the head, getting this excess hair off my head, balling it up, get that fresh feel, and then head back out to New York, baby. Back out to New York, what the heck? I'm living in the past. Back out to Georgia, should I say. So I have about 13 hours ahead of me. I'm gonna push it as far as I can go. And when I get real tired, I just rest up again. Remember, I ain't no hurry, man. I'm not in no rush, man. That's the reason why I canceled my day today. I trained all my clients yesterday, which gave me all the opportunity to just spend my time chilling for Friday and Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm back at the grind again on Monday. You know what I'm saying? So with God's grace, I'm gonna be getting home, see my family. I miss my family, I miss my dog, I miss my gym, I miss everything. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I like getting on this road. You get to miss the things that you see all the time and that we take for granted. And also, I practice gratitude, and I want you guys to start to practice gratitude. Gratitude can take you a long way, man. It can take you to places where you never realize how amazing your life is. All you gotta do is start looking at the things that you are grateful for and start paying respect to those things. Every day, you choose at least 20 things. You name at least 20 things that you are grateful for. Everything. Gratefulness happens. And when you start to recognize it, it can take you a long way. You feel what I'm saying? So, let's go. Quick tip, right? When you travel, take a shower the morning you get up. The last time I didn't take a shower when I was heading back down to New York, because I didn't want to. But when you feel tired, even though you got some sleep, take a shower, wash off all the excess dirt from the day before, and I'm telling you, it's like it revives you, man. Water replenishes the body, baby. It replenishes the body, yeah. Yes, I'm in the shower talking to you. So what? You ain't seen nothing that's elongated. So mind your business. Don't worry about it. Always recheck your hotel room. Anytime you stay in a hotel, do a recheck. Make sure you got everything that you need. There's nothing that you're forgetting. Nothing. Because sometimes it be the littlest things, man. The smallest. You be like, oh man, I left my charger. Man, I left my wallet. You see what I'm saying? All right, so I got everything. Bathroom check. Nothing in the bathroom. Yeah, all right, we out. Good morning. Good, good. All right, 13 hours, 10 minutes, 920 miles is what I have left for this ride. So what I'm gonna do, my goal is to break it up into twos. So I'm gonna hit about 7 hours the first time. That would leave me with about 6 hours and 10 minutes the second time. And that's gonna be how I'm gonna test my energy level and see if I'm able to go all the way or not. Once again, if I'm tired, I'm gonna pull over because I already did my journey already. I already got to where I needed to get to. Now I need to get to where I need to be, which is back home safely. All right, let's get it. Yeah, gotta get some gas, baby, up here in Jersey. 93. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. It's a road glide. Harley Davidson road glide.
A lot of power, right?
A lot of power, yes sir. Yes sir, a lot of power, man. Lots and lots of power. Very expensive. Very expensive. This bike is a touring bike. So it's made to ride cross country, you know? Thank you, brother.
This winter season is no good, right? Everything is cold.
Yeah, but you got heat gear, baby. You got heat gear. You plug it up.
My country, I have one bike, XL.
Oh, you have an X, yeah?
My country is Nepal.
Oh, Nepal.
Lot of mountain, right?
That's right. Yeah. Nepal, lots of mountains.
Winter season, I drop the bike, everything.
It's cold in the winter, man. The knees, everything is done. That's why you got to keep the heat gear on.
I have the black bike.
You got to keep the heat gear on. All right? All right, good talking to you, brother. All right. Crazy ride. I kept on going and going and going and going. I left at 8:30. The time is now, oh man, I don't even know what time it is now. But I'm in South Carolina, 6:26. And I'm gonna push it all the way home. I'm already in South Carolina. Might as well just go. Let's get it. Just getting some gas. 4 more hours to go. Can I make it all the way home? Let's find out. Getting that. It's gonna be dark, but I'm getting that.